Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint Kami from Street Fighter 2 from Jada Toys. Thank you very much, Bro Depot, for this very cool action figure. Shout out din kay brother Ken Lawrence for this very special opportunity na mapag-custom repaint ng Kami. So, chinek ko yung figure and for our custom repaint, wala kasing space dun sa shoulder ni Kami. So, I need to sand this part. So, ganoon naman yung ginagawa natin. If ever walang space yung sa joint para ma-prevent yung paint chips or paint scratches, nagsasand din ako para magkaroon ng kahit 1 millimeter lang na space. In that way, pag meron ng joint space, mas less yung friction. Kapag less yung friction, less yung chance na magkaroon ng paint rubs or paint scratches. So, gumamit tayo ng number 4 flat black for our primer and the dry brush natin siya using gunmetal. Okay, after the dry brushing method, you are going to use military green water-based acrylics from Hero Paints. This time, gagamit tayo ng camouflage painting method. So, first layer yung darkest muna, second layer yung lighter, third layer yung lightest. So, inaral ko din kung paano mag-paint ng camouflage. So, meron tayong nag-research ako ng mga references about camouflage, green camo. So, ang bin-breakdown ko siya para mas maging simple yung concept ng paano mag-paint ng camouflage. So, different layers siya. So, you have the darkest color and you have the lighter color and then the lightest. Usually, tatlong colors yung combination ng patterns sa camo. So, this time, we are going with military green. And then basta green colored yung natin, green themed yung color combination natin dito. Okay, so pag binreakdown mo siya, it's just a series of irregular shapes na magkakapatong. So yun lang gagawin natin, para siyang mga cloud shapes or para din siya mga very irregular shapes na you don't really need to think about kung ano yung shapes na mapo-form dun sa brush. You just gotta paint it and then let it flow. Huwag din masyadong isipin kung saan lalagay yung pattern na to. Just apply layers of paint, dark muna and then lighter and then lightest. Okay. Right, next layer naman, olive green naman. Shout out to Hero Paints for always sponsoring our custom repaint ng mga videos. If you want to know more about Hero Paints, punta lang kayo sa Shopee or Lazada. Type in Hero Paints, HIRO sa search box and then lalabas na doon yung kanilang store. Sa store nila makikita nyo yung water-based acrylic set. Meron din sila mga individual sets, individual pieces. Per bottle nila around 120 pesos. Very affordable and very nice na mga paints. Very vibrant, maganda yung consistency, and also meron din sila mga metallics, fluorescents. Maganda yung fluorescents nila, promise. Ganda. Magsha-shine siya sa pag meron kayong blue light, pag tinutok niyo yung blue light din sa surface na yun na may fluorescent, nagsha-shine yung para siyang glow in the dark. Shine yung area. Gusto ko yung yellow, green and green na fluorescent paint. Also yung mga metallics nila ang gaganda din talaga, panalo. So check them out, Hero Paints. Alright, next naman gagamitin natin pintura. Ito mas light na to. Light camo brown. So ito yung next na layer na i-apply natin. So dito mas fine na yung mga patterns na ilalagay natin. Kasi yung first layer medyo broad pa eh. Tapos second layer medyo mas medium yung brush na or medium yung application. Kumbaga not so large, hindi masyadong large na mga shapes. Dito sa lighter parts mas maliliit na yung mga shapes na ginagawa natin. Pero ganun pa rin, irregular pa rin. Okay, dito naman sa mga effect parts, we are applying, ito yun nga, fluorescent paints, grabe, sobrang solid. Ang ganda ng ganda ng pagka-fluorescent nito. Hindi siya mag-glow ha kapag walang blue light. You need a blue light para ma-appreciate nyo yung um, fluorescent capabilities ng pintura. Alright, and then yung last step naman natin, nag-apply tayo ng Wosny number 191 flat clear doon sa sa paint job na ginawa natin. Doon sa arms niya and sa boots, leather brown mga ma'am sir. Tapos dry brush with a lighter shade of brown para magkaroon ng leather type of feeling. Alright, ayan mga Bro Depot mga ma'am sir. Order na kayo dito sa Bro Depot. Super cool. Ang dami nila mga products, McFarlane Toys, Beyblades, I think Gunpla, nag-handle din sila. Bandai products, McFarlane's, NECA. Super cool. Check them out mga ma'am sir. Shout out to Bro Depot. Maraming salamat for this Kami na player 2 from Jada Toys. Maraming salamat brother Ken Lawrence for this very cool action figure for unboxing, review, and customization. So hopefully meron pa tayong mga toys from Bro Depot for unboxing and review, and I'm looking forward to our next collaboration projects. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.